Split, explode, pandas dataframe string entry to separate rows. I have a pandas dataframe in which one column of text strings contains comma-separated values. I want to split each CSV field and create a new row per entry. Assume that CSV are clean and need only be split on comma. For example, A should become B. So far, I have tried various simple functions, but the .apply method seems to only accept one row as return value when it is used on an axis, and I can't get .transform to work. Any suggestions would be much appreciated. Example data. I know this won't work because we lose dataframe metadata by going through numpy, but it should give you a sense of what I tried to do.
How about something like this? Then you just have to rename the columns.
Update 3. It makes more sense to use series.explode, dataframe.explode methods, implemented in pandas 0.25.0, and extended in pandas 1.3.0 to support multi-column explode, as is shown in the usage example. For a single column, for multiple columns, for pandas 1.3.0 plus. Update 2, more generic vectorized function, which will work for multiple normal and multiple list columns. Demo. Multiple list columns. All list columns must have the same hash of elements in each row. Preserving original index values. Setup. CSV column. Using this little trick, we can convert CSV-like column to list column. Update. Generic vectorized approach will work also for multiple columns. Original df. Solution. First, let's convert CSV strings to lists. Now we can do this. Old answer. Inspired by Ada Finkelstein solution, I wanted to make it bit more generalized, which could be applied to DF with more than 2 columns, and as fast, well, almost as fast as a Finkelstein solution.
After painful experimentation to find something faster than the accepted answer, I got this to work. It ran around 100x faster on the dataset I tried it on. If someone knows a way to make this more elegant, by all means please modify my code. I couldn't find a way that works without setting the other columns you want to keep as the index and then resetting the index and renaming the columns, but I'd imagine there's something else that works.
Pandas is greater than or equal to 0.25. Series and dataframe methods define a .explode method that explodes lists into separate rows. See the docs section on exploding a list-like column. Since you have a list of comma-separated strings, split the string on comma to get a list of elements, then call explode on that column. Note that explode only works on a single column, for now. To explode multiple columns at once, see below. Nans and empty lists get the treatment they deserve without you having to jump through hoops to get it right. This is a serious advantage over Ravel/repeat-based solutions, which ignore empty lists completely, and choke on nans. Exploding multiple columns. Pandas 1.3 update. df.explode works on multiple columns starting from Pandas 1.3. On older versions, you would move the explode column inside the apply, which is a lot less performant. The idea is to set as the index all the columns that should not be exploded, then explode the remaining columns via apply. This works well when the lists are equally sized.
Positions